Hi dolls, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on the Morphe monthly subscription for their brushes. If you're not familiar with it, it is a $19.99 subscription a month. They take it out, they send you at least $30 of brushes. You get anywhere from 3 to 8 brushes a month. And then they give you this little card, which this month is Cozy Up with Bae this Valentine's Day. And then they gave me they give everybody a coupon that gets it code, so you get 10% off. It's just something that they do for everybody. Anybody who gets this will get one. It does nothing for them, but I will post it up anyways, just in case, so that if you guys want to use it, you can. Like I said, it does nothing for me. It only helps you guys out, so if you guys want to get that 10% off, their brushes, it's there. But so yeah, if you guys like these kind of videos, please let me know so I can continue making them. And if it's something that you're not really enjoying, just let me know so I stop making them and I can do something else. But yeah, I mean, these are, like, brushes are my favorite makeup tool. I realize there's not a ton of tools out there, but brushes are like my favorite. Like, I have so many brushes. I have a drawer full of brushes. I have things on my desk full of brushes. I'm just addicted with brushes. Like, it's just something I truly love getting. So yeah, so let's, without any furthermore rambling on to do, let's just go on and say, if you're not subscribed, please do. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you guys can be notified when I am posting a video. And so yeah, if you guys want to see the brushes I got this month for Morphe, please stick around. Okay, so like I said, we get this little card, and it is Cozy Up with Bae for the month. And this month we got 3 brushes, and I always open up to see what I got so I can look online and find out the prices for you guys. And when I was doing that this month, I found that they did an error in the printing out of this, and I'll get to that. I'll tell you guys the error when I get to it, but we're just going to start off in order like I always do, and we're going to start off with the E23, and it is a Deluxe Blender, and it is $7. I feel like they changed their handle. Oh, they did change their handle to a degree, because Morphe is different now for their name with the way that they print it out, so they've changed that to go with their new transformation with their palettes and everything, and the way that their name is done. And yeah, so this is just, it's a Deluxe Blender for, it says, start off your Valentine's Day glam with a Deluxe Blender. This dense dome brush will give you warm and fuzzy feelings as you blend shadows on your crease for a fluffy look. So yeah, that is this, and it seems very nice. So what I was thinking too is about maybe opening these up, doing my makeup, but whatever brush I get, don't, like, what it's used for, don't do. So generally it's mostly your eyes, it seems like they give you, so I would use those to do my eyes and show you guys how they work. If that is something else you guys want to see, let me know, and I will start that next month. Yeah, so here's the mistake. It says that it's E50, but when I looked it up, it said it was a mini highlighter, and this is not a mini highlighter brush. It says on here, it says pointed highlighter. The brush is actually an E61, and it says for a romantic glow, use the pointed highlighter to enhance your cheek, nose, and Cupid's bow. For this tapered brush will give you a memorizing finish for a candlelit dinner with your bae. Sorry guys, my phone over here is like vibrating, just kind of distracting me. So yeah, so this is what it is, and like I said, it's an E61, but the paper says it's E50. So that was their mistake, like they just misprinted it, which I'm glad I go on and look, because I would have just looked at the paper if I did the video without even looking for the prices. And this one is $8. So I'm glad I did that. The next one is a Tapered Blush, and it's an E34. And this one is $17. And it says, add a rosy flush to your cheeks, contour, and powder your face using this tapered blush brush. These soft bristles will have you so smitten you'll think you were shot by Cupid's golden arrow. And this is what it is. So yeah, so that equals up to about $32 for 3 brushes, and I only paid $19.99. So I really, with tax and everything, I really got $10 more in brushes, which, I mean, come on, that's a good deal in my book. So yeah, that is it. If you guys have other videos that you guys would like to see, products, reviews, whatever it may be, just let me know, and I will do my best to make that happen right away. And so yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I have nothing else to say, but I love you guys.